What's up guys, hope you are doing well there. I am Vimukti and welcome to my YouTube channel Seek Show. Today I have decided to show you some basics of remote sensing when you are using ArcMap software, ArcGIS software to analyze satellite images or sometimes raster images. Right, and in this video you will see different methods to clipping any raster or satellite images. Also, I will show you some tips of ArcMap software. When you're using, you will need those tips, same as my other tutorials. Finally, I will show you how to use Create Fishnet tool and Mosaic to New Raster tool. So to learn it all, please watch till the end and don't forget to like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest video notifications. Okay, let's get started with ArcMap software. Right, here's the table of contents. I have a district shape file and a raster image composite. Right, please watch carefully what I am showing to you. Please learn it, watch till the end. Right, I suppose you want to draw a shape, not a shape file. Suppose you want to clip any circle or rectangular shape from this raster image. So to do that, you will have to use this drawing tool. Hope you know. To enable, how to enable, right click on in any area, you can get this menu and enable the drawing toolbar. Right, after enabling the drawing toolbar, here you can see the tiny down arrow. Click on it and you can draw any shape from this drawing tool. For now I'm going to draw a circle here. I will draw the circle and I'm going to go to properties, and I don't want any color to fill. Outline color should be black for me, and apply and OK. Right, now you can see the drawing here. Now what I want to do, I want to clip a raster using this shape. Right, okay, to do that you have to enable this image analysis. Go to go to Windows and you can see this image analysis. After enabling the image analysis, first you have to select the TIFF file, that means the raster file first. Otherwise, all these things will be disabled. Right, after enabling, click on this enable. Now you can see this tiny scissor arrow with the raster. So this can be used to clip this shape. Right, click, simply select. You should have to select the shape, and after select the raster file and simply click on this here. Now you will see an output has came into your table of contents. I'm going to disable and I'm going to remove my shape. You can see the clipped raster file. That is how to do it. That is the way. Okay, now I am going to show you one thing. Just go to properties here, the clipped raster file, and go to source. You can see the folder. So this is a temporary raster file. If you close this window, if you close this ArcMap software, you will not be able to find this clipped raster image. So that means this clipped raster image is a temporary file. To do a permanent file, what you have to do, same as exporting shape files, you have to right click and go to data and the export data. You can set a location and a name. You can change few different properties if you want, and you can save. After saving this raster file, after exporting, this clipped raster image will be a permanent one. So that is one method to clip. Also, I want to show, now I'm not going to show you the other shapes. Right, you can test by your own. Right, I'm going to disable and I'm going to delete this drawing, and again I want to enable my satellite image of my country. Now what I want to do, I want to clip a known region. I don't know any coordinates here for now, but I have already ready for you. So if you suppose if you have known coordinates and you are going to analyze a particular region with known coordinates and known boundaries, what you have to do first, you have to use the fishnet tool and enter the coordinates into your fishnet tool and create a drawing or shape before clipping. So to do that, what you have to do, go to your arc toolbox. You can see this create fishnet tool right in the under the section of the data management feature class and create fishnet. Double click on the create fishnet tool and set your output feature class. I will set my output feature class as fishnet 1.tif and save. And I know the coordinates for now, I have already ready. So I'm going to enter XY coordinates, known coordinates, because I'm going to clip a known region from the total satellite image. So just wait. I want number 1 row and 1 column. Remember to untick here and set a polygon because I want to clip a known region with these coordinates. Same coordinate should be entered here. Right, let's see the output. Okay, stool is running. Just wait for the output. Right, you get the output here. You can see the boundary with known coordinates, known region. One thing I want to inform you that when you use your fishnet, you will get a shapefile. Remember, you will get a shapefile, not a drawing like previous one. So now you are going to use the another tool. What you have to use, go to your Arc toolbox, go to your raster. Under the data management tools, you will find the raster category where you can find raster processing, raster clip. Double click on this clip. You can turn on the clip tool by double clicking, and input raster should be your whole satellite images. Output extent should be your shapefile fishnet 1. The shapefile you have created using a fishnet tool. This is the output extent. I will set my output raster as Landsat composite clip. Right, and save and click OK. Remember, your output extent should be a shapefile. This should be input raster should be your whole satellite images. This shapefile is created using the fishnet tool with known coordinates and known region to create a known region. Right, so this is the output. Let's click OK and wait for the output. Right, so we got the output here. I'm going to untick it and untick the whole satellite image. Right, now we have clipped the satellite image with known boundaries using the known coordinates using the fishnet tool. So that's how to do it. This is a permanent raster image. Right, just go to properties, you can see the folder F. So directly this raster, clipped raster, have located in a shape. This is not a temporary one. And click OK. Now very quickly I will show you another bonus tip. I'm going to enable the district. I will select one district here using the selection tool, and I'm going to enable L7 composite, my whole satellite image, and put a clip. Right, I'm going to disable these things. I got one clipped raster image, and I'm going to disable. Again I will select, I will deselect, I will select another region and click here, select features, then set 7 composite and another clip. Right, I'm going to deselect. Now I have created two clipped satellite images. Right, you can see one is here, the other one is here. Oh, this is wrong, this should come another. Again I'm doing the same thing. I will select the region I want to clip and disable and set 7, right, and clip. Let's see the output. Right, we got the output. Now you know what I have done. I have created two clipped raster images. So these are two separated raster images. Now I want to create these raster images into a single raster image. To do that, you will have to use the mosaic raster tool. You can find the mosaic raster tool in the data management section and raster section. Again you can go to raster dataset. Here you can find mosaic to new raster. Double click on mosaic to new raster. Open the tool. You have to input your raster images, clip 3 and clip 1. That means these two raster images, you know, these are separated one by one another separated. Now I am going to join these two raster images using mosaic to new raster, clip 1 L7 and clip 3 L7. My output location here, I will select F folder, add, and raster data set name with extension. I will select L4.tif. This is how to join the two raster images. And I don't any scale, cell size optional. Number of bands are 7. Right, remember the number of bands to be contained by the raster dataset. So we have used Landsat 7, so the bands should be 7 bands, and other things are optional. And click OK. Let's wait for the output. Please check the channel's other playlist, Let's Learn ArcGIS software. You can find many different tutorials on ArcMap software, ArcGIS software. Please watch them all and learn something new from this channel. And support me by subscribing to the channel. If you have anything to ask, please comment. I will try to reply for you. And share these videos with your friends, the people who need these tutorials to learn something new from this video. This might be helpful for your friends sometimes. Okay, let's see the output. Right, we got the output here, L4 TIFF. I'm going to deselect the other raster images. You can see the single raster image by joining those two raster images. what is this black area? Now I'm going to disable and remove this black area. That's a simple thing. In your image analysis tab, click on this L4 tip, the output of the last process, and remove this background. Click enable or disable, right? That is another tip for you. So this is how to do it, how to join the raster images. Hope you learn something new from this video. Hope you learn few different things, few new things from this video. If you learn something new things from this video, please hit a like for my video and please comment if you have anything to ask. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get the latest video notifications. I will be back with another video for you soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.